Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine, safe inside your homes. So, now today we are going to start with chapter 5 Geography, that is industries. I repeat, we are going to start with chapter 5 Industries in Geography. So, now this chapter is all about industries, and you must be knowing how much important place do these industries have in our lives. These industries are very important again for the economy also. So now let us start with the classification of the industries first. So here raw materials is there on the first box, which means what are the raw materials required for different types of industries is what we are going to study in this part. So starting with agro based industries, firstly I will read out the names. I will classify agro based industries, mineral based industries, marine based industries and forest based industries. These are the four types of industries. So agro based industries, what will be their raw materials? See, they use plants and animals based products as their raw materials. So examples can be cotton, textile, vegetable oil, all of it. So this will be agro based industries. Next is mineral based industries. So they are primary industry that use mineral ore as their raw material. So they will use mineral ore as their raw material. So examples could be railway coaches, machinery, all this. The product of these industries feed other industries, which means whatever the products are formed by this industries will be useful for other industries also. So next we have is marine based industries. I repeat, next we have is marine based industries, in which there are products from the seas and oceans which are used as raw materials. So the products from seas and oceans will be used as raw materials. Example, fish, oil, seafood, all of this. So this will be example of marine based industries. So next which we have is forest based industries. So now what do we understand by this? So they utilize the forest products as their raw materials. For example, wax, gum, paper, etc. So this will be their raw materials. So in this slide we have studied four different types of industries, that is agro based, mineral based, marine based and forest based, and also with their raw materials. So on the basis of the raw materials you can see cotton, how it is made, woolen shawls we have, then jute bags, silk textiles, from rubber we have these footballs made, sugar, tea, coffee, edible oil, all these are what? These are the examples on the basis of the raw material. Next we have is mineral based industries, from where you can see iron and steel, cement factory, aluminium industry, petrochemical fields, all this is what? All these are the examples of minerals based industries. Next is marine based industries, where you can have fish oil, that is which is from the fish, and the seafood which we can have. So this is the example of marine based industries. Next which we have is on the basis of the size. So on the basis of the size we have industries. So for example, small scale industries versus large scale industries. So the type of small scale industries are cottage or household industries. See for example like basket weaving, pottery and other handicraft. So these are the industries which are small in size. They are small in size. So they are called small size industries or small scale industries. Here those big machines are not required. Here just simple machines are required, small machines are required, and there is more use of humans in this type of industries. So small scale industries use lesser amount of capital and technology. There is lesser amount of capital and technology used in small scale industries, like example basket weaving hai or pottery, handicraft, all these are what? These are the examples of small scale industries. Now we will study about large scale industries. It is completely opposite of small scale industries. So what is large scale industry? So this industry is involved in more of technology and it is more capital based. Capital here means, it means the paisa or the money, what you can say. Amount of money required in this in this type of industry, that is large scale industry, is more. So here it is technological based and investment of capital is also high, and also it is based on the latest technology. So examples are thermal industries and the textile industries, where large machines are, big machines are there, and also it will cost in crores of rupees. So this was about the large scale industry. So I hope you are clear with the difference of large scale industries versus small scale industries. So here you can see the example of small scale industries, cottage industries, And here large scale industries where there are big iron rods and all of these big spaces there, these machines are used, there is less involvement of humans, so this is capital based industry. So now let us have a recap of what we have studied today. So we have studied types of industries: agro based, mineral based, marine based and forest based. So that will be coming under the types of industries. And then we studied size based industries, that is small scale versus large scale industries. So I hope whatever we have studied today you are very much clear with it. So that was it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.